Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hi, friends. We're happy you're here today.
This podcast is for English beginners.
Yes, A1 level, very easy English.
Today's topic is talk about your teacher.
We will describe teachers and classrooms in simple English.
Before we start, please like and subscribe.
It really helps our channel grow. Thank you.
Ready? Let's begin.
Jackson, let me ask you a question.
Sure, Lena.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Brown.
Nice. Is he a good teacher?
Yes, he is a good teacher.
Good job. Let's repeat together.
My teacher is Mr. Brown.
Again.
My teacher is Mr. Brown.
Now, listeners, you try.
Say it slowly.
My teacher is...
Very good. You're doing great.
Let's learn some easy words.
First word, teacher.
A teacher teaches students.
Repeat after me. Teacher.
Teacher.
Good job.
Next word, kind.
Kind means nice and friendly.
Example, my teacher is kind.
Repeat.
My teacher is kind.
Great.
Another word is strict.
Strict means serious.
Example, my teacher is strict.
Repeat slowly.
My teacher is strict.
That's a great sentence.
Jackson, is your teacher kind or strict?
My teacher is kind.
Very nice.
He is also patient.
Patient is a great word.
Patient means calm and not angry.
Example, my teacher is patient.
Repeat.
My teacher is patient.
Listeners, you're improving already.
Yes, keep listening and speaking. Let's talk about looks.
Teachers have different looks.
For example, tall,
Short.
old.
Young.
My teacher is tall.
Repeat.
My teacher is tall.
Good job.
My teacher is young.
Repeat.
My teacher is young.
Nice and clear.
Now hair,
Long hair.
short hair.
Example. My teacher has short hair.
Repeat slowly.
My teacher has short hair.
Excellent.
Lena, what about your teacher?
My teacher is a woman.
Good sentence.
She is kind and patient.
Very nice English.
Let's talk about the classroom.
Yes, classroom words are important.
Word 1, classroom.
A classroom is where we study.
Repeat, classroom.
Classroom.
Word 2, desk.
A desk is for students.
Example, this is my desk.
Repeat.
This is my desk.
Word 3, chair.
I sit on a chair.
Repeat.
I sit on a chair.
Great job.
Word 4, board.
The teacher writes on the board.
Repeat.
The teacher writes on the board.
Very good.
Let's make simple sentences.
My classroom is big.
Repeat.
My classroom is big.
Nice.
My classroom is clean.
Repeat slowly.
My classroom is clean.
Perfect.
Jackson, is your classroom big or small?
My classroom is small.
Good answer.
Let's practice together.
Listen first.
My teacher is kind.
My teacher is patient.
My classroom is clean.
Now you repeat.
Take your time.
You're doing amazing.
Yes, keep listening and speaking.
Let's add daily classroom actions.
I listen to my teacher.
Repeat.
I listen to my teacher.
Good job.
I write in my notebook.
Repeat slowly.
I write in my notebook.
Excellent. I raise my hand.
Repeat.
I raise my hand.
Nice and clear.
Jackson, do you like your teacher?
Yes, I like my teacher.
Great sentence.
She helps me a lot.
That's wonderful. Let's practice a short dialogue.
Okay.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Ms. Green.
Is she kind?
Yes, she's very kind.
Is she strict?
No, she's patient.
Listeners, now you try this dialogue.
Listen again and repeat.
Good job, everyone.
You're learning step by step.
Let's review keywords.
Teacher,
Classroom,
desk,
chair.
board.
Key sentences.
My teacher is kind.
My teacher is patient.
My classroom is clean.
I listen to my teacher.
You did great today.
Yes, be proud of yourself.
Now it's time to wrap up.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing every day.
Even 5 minutes is good.
Before we go, a fun question.
Tell us in the comments.
Who is your favorite teacher?
And why do you like your teacher?
We can't wait to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye. Keep learning English.